Hello and welcome to Smart Quiz Builder. My name is Veena Prashant. In this video, I'll take you behind the scenes to show you how you can integrate Smart Quiz Builder with your email platform. SQB comes with the built-in integration with all leading email platforms, and we are always adding more to the list. So I'll show you how you can integrate SQB with your email platform and how you can get SQB to send the right tags based on the answers, based on the outcome. And you can add your users to the right follow-up sequence using those tags. So this is the SQB backend. This is a Manage Quizzes page. And here I have already created my quiz. If you want to create a new one, click on this button to add a new quiz. I'm going to click on the edit button here to show you my setting. Give your quiz a name, description. This is an assessment quiz. I have selected assessment. Do you want to display your quiz in a pop-up or in-page? There are several options. I have selected in-page. Pagination options, one question per page, or you want to display all the questions on the same page. I have selected one question per page. Do you want to display a progress bar? I have turned this on. Slide and animation. Do you want to have animation effect between different screens? I'm not using it because I'm using template 5 where a slide in animation will not look that good. So I'm not using it. And retake quiz. Do you want to allow users to retake the quiz after they finish the quiz without having to refresh the page? So here I have selected yes. How many retake attempts are allowed? You can specify that here. If it is limited, you can enter how many times they can retake the quiz. Lead generation screen, do you want to display an opt-in form? So if you want to get users to opt in before they can see their result after they complete the quiz, you can turn this on, and then you can also connect the SQB opt-in form with your email platform. You can see here there are several options. By default, SQB will add users to WordPress, and you will find all the users and their results and all the details in the Manage Leads page in SQB. But if you want to integrate SQB with your own email platform, you can select it from here. Now, these are the ones that SQB integrates with currently, but we'll be adding a lot more to this list. So if you upgrade SQB in future, you will probably see a lot more here. But currently, this is the list, and these are the platforms that SQB integrates with. Now here I have connected it to Sendinblue, which is my email platform. You can see if you click on this button, it will let you enter the API key to connect. And after it connects, it's going to display all the lists that you have in your email platform. So here I have 2. I'm going to select this one, and I have done that actually. So you can see here I have connected it to this list. So when users complete the quiz, they will be added here to this list in Sendinblue automatically. All right. So I'm also assigning a tag, and I'm doing outcome level tags. So users are going to get different tags based on the outcome they get. And you can do that in the outcome screen. So when you create your outcome, you can assign tags, and whatever tag you assign to each outcome, that's the tag that these users are going to get when they are added to your list. They will be added. They will get the right tag based on the outcome. All right. So you can do the tag assignment there in the outcome screen. And there are so many different options. Even if you don't have your email platform in this list, SQB integrates with Zapier, Integrately, and Pabbly Connect. And it's really simple. All you have to do is enter the URL that you get from these platforms for webhook notification. Enter that here and click to test the connection. And that's it. All right. It will automatically connect with these platforms and send all the details, user details, quiz details, question answers, outcome tags, all the details to these platforms. And there's also a webhook notification. So if you want to write your own PHP script and get all the details and do whatever you want to do with that, that's possible as well. So you can see here user detail, quiz details, and also the outcome details, what answer they selected, what's the correct answer, how much they scored, all the details, and the outcome as well, right? The outcome they got, total points. So you can use this information and do whatever you want with that. There are just a couple of things I wanted to let you know before we continue. Soon we are going to be adding support for HTML form code based integration. So even if your platform does not have direct integration with SQB, you can use the HTML form integration as long as your platform supports it. You can get the HTML code from your platform, enter it here in SQB HTML code section, and then click on generate form. It will allow SQB to send all the lead details to your platform. So even if there is no direct integration, it will still work. Direct integration is not required if your platform supports HTML form code based integration. And the other thing we'll be adding support for is custom fields. So you will be able to collect additional information. You can add custom fields in SQB, collect those fields on the opt-in form. So when users opt in, all that information will be available in SQB, and you will also be able to map it to your email platform. So when users opt in, SQB will also send that information to your platform. So all of that is coming soon. So this is a SQB leads page. Under manage users, you will find a list of all the users, their email address, and the quiz results, and the quiz they have taken, what time they took it, all the details here on this page. So if you click on view details next to the quiz that they have taken, it's going to show you the details. You can see what time they took the quiz, type of quiz, name of quiz, and quiz result, what they got, what was their outcome, what was their score. And you can see these are the questions in that quiz and what answers they got correct, what answers they got wrong. So all the details you will find here. So even if you do not connect SQB with your email platform, you will find a list of all the users here. You can also export all the information. So it will give you a CSV list with all the users, their quiz results. If you want, you can export it as well. All right, so now let's complete the rest of the quiz setup. Outcome screen display. So do you want to calculate the outcome based on number of correct answers or based on a range? Now here, this is an assessment quiz, and I have selected range because I don't want to create too many different outcome screen for each possible correct answer combination. So I'm just using a range, much easier to do it this way. Now, correct answer display. Do you want to display correct answers? And I have said yes, but where do you want to display the correct answers? Do you want to display it after they answer each question right there and also on the final results page? Or do you just want to display it on the final results page? I have selected just display it on the final results page. And timed quiz, this is another amazing option for a countdown timer. So if it's a timed quiz where users have to complete it within that time, or they will not be able to complete the quiz if the time expires, then you can set that timer value here, right? Everything that you see here is click and edit. All the text can be changed. And what should happen if the timer expires, you can specify that here. You can send them to the opt-in screen if the timer expires and display a message that lets them know that, sorry, the time has expired. This is how much time you spent. But they can still opt in to see the final result based on the ones that they answered in that time. Or you can configure SQB to be there on the question screen itself and just display the expired message. So there are different options here. I'm going to turn off the countdown timer, and I have selected template number 5. You can select any one of these templates. So I have selected this one, save and next. This is the start screen, and everything is fully customizable. All right, so this is the quiz title. This is the quiz description. SQB is getting it from the basic settings where you enter the name and description. And the colors, the left section color here, right section color, you can change it. And the button customizer is right here. Text, everything is click and edit. You can change everything here. And this is the start screen, right? That's the first screen. Now I have 3 questions in this quiz, and you can see you can add more questions. So question number 1, left screen, I'm using this color. Right screen, I'm using a different color. All of this is customizable. You can see I have checked the right answer, right? So you need to let SQB know which one of these is the correct answer. So this is the correct answer here. And if you want to add more answer choices, you can click on this button to add another answer choice here. Question type, all of these question types are supported. You can switch to a different question type if you want. So this is question 1. Question 2, again, I'm using different colors. Everything is click and edit. You can change the question. You can enter your answer choices. You can add more answers. This is the correct answer, so I have checked it right here. Question 3, again, I'm using 2 different colors, and answer choices are here. And so I have 3 questions here. And if you want to create a quiz funnel where answers dictate the next question and not everyone is going to see the same next question, the question they see depends on their previous answer, you can do that. You can enable branching. And if you check this, you can go to the quiz funnels page, and there is a really cool funnel builder in SQB where you can build your funnel logic. But I'm not going to enable branching. This is just a regular quiz. I'm not going to use the quiz funnel option. Lead generation. So again, everything is customizable. If you want to change the background color, text, everything is customizable. When users opt in through this, they will be added to Send in Blue, which is my email platform. And I have configured that here. And that's it, right? So all this is customizable. You can even verify email. What this means is you can create an account with quick email verification. Now, this is the email verification service that SQB integrates with currently, but we'll be adding a lot more because we have gotten a request for a few others. So we'll be adding that as well. So quick email verification allows you up to 100 free verification each day, right? And if you reach that limit, SQB will automatically turn it off. So there will be no more verification. So you don't have to do anything special. And all you have to do is create a free account and enter your API key that you get from here in SQB settings page under external integrations tab. That's it. Outcome. So there are two possible outcomes and I'm using a range here. You can see here range is 0 to 1. So if they get 0 correct answers or 1 correct answer, they're going to see this outcome screen. And make sure to use these merge tags, right? So you can add any text you want, you can change it, but this will allow SQB to display the total number of correct answers they got and how many total questions were there. So here on the right side, you can say whatever you want to say. That's how it works. Again, everything is customizable. Outcome number 2 is if they get 2 out of 3 correct or they get all 3 correct, right? So in both cases, I'm using this outcome screen and everything is fully customizable. Now, shortcode tab is going to give you a shortcode at the end. Copy this, publish it on any WordPress page, anywhere you want, and your quiz will show up here. I'm using template number 5. It will look really good if you use a full width page, full width template. So that's what I have done. I'm going to show you that. Now click here for embed code. It's going to give you an embed code. So if you want to use SQB on a completely different site where you don't even have SQB installed, as long as that site also has WordPress, you can create a page there, a WordPress page or a post there and enter the embed code there. So this is how it works. And there's one more thing I want to show you before giving you a demo of the front end, which is in the outcome screen. So here I am showing users this outcome when they get 0 or they get 1 correct answer. But say that I wanted to redirect users to a completely different page. I could have selected this option and redirected users to a completely different page. So you don't have to use the SQB outcome screen. You can also redirect them to a completely different page based on the outcome. So that's one option. And also the set outcome tags, the one that's here. If you click on it, you can see here, you can give them different tags based on the outcome they get. So if they get this outcome, I want to give them this tag. If they get this outcome, I want to give them this tag. SQB will add users to your email platform and it will give them the right tag, right? So it will add them to the right list and give them the right tag. So this is how it works. Let me quickly show you an example of the same quiz, but with the background image. You can see here, this is the same quiz. I'm not using a background color, but I'm using a background image. You can do this too. You can upload an image. You can change the background image here. And also this color that you see, the background color where this text is, you can change that too. So for example, you can do something like this. You can click on it. You can change the text that shows up here. You can change the color of that text. If you want, you can change the font. All of that is fully customizable. So here I'm using images in all of my screens. Let me show you this. This is my question screen. I'm using an image for all of my questions. You can change the color. And here you can see, and if you want to change the right section color, you can do that too. And lead generation, it looks the same. But the outcome screen, you can see here also I'm using an image and not just a background color. So there are so many different options. If you just want to keep things simple, you can just use background color. But if you want to add an image, then you can do that too. All right, so this is my page in WordPress and I'm using my page builder, Thrive Architect, and I have inserted the shortcode there. But you don't have to use a page builder. You can use the default WordPress editor and enter the shortcode there. So this is my page builder and you can see here, this is the SQB shortcode and just a regular text element. I have entered it here. Now let me show you what it looks like in the front end. Let's click on preview here. So this is my quiz and this is how it looks in the front end. You can see this is the quiz title, description, the button here. When users click on this, it will take them to the question screen and you can see here, it's showing the progress. This is the first question and question is here. Answer choices are here. I'm going to select this one. And next question, you can see all the colors, they are different. So each one stands out. And you don't even have to use any image, anything else, because it looks, all of this, the template itself stands out because of the colors. And here I'm going to select the right answer again. And what's the most populated city? I'm going to just select a wrong answer here just to show you. So this is the opt-in screen and I'm going to just opt in here. And what should happen is SQB should add the user to my list in Send in Blue with the right tag. I'll show you that in a bit, but you can see here, this is the outcome screen and showing me this outcome because I got 2 correct out of 3. And these are the correct answers and this is the incorrect answer. And there is a retake button here. Users can click on the retake to retake the quiz. It shows the quiz again. Now let me show you my email platform and show you if the user was added with the right tag there. All right, so this is Send in Blue, and here under contacts, I can see this is the user I just added. SQB has assigned this user the right tag. So this is how it works, really simple, and everything is fully customizable. The colors, the text, the style, everything is fully customizable. If you have any questions, please do let us know. My name is Veena Prashant. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.